Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and for all those OG guys here in the channel, this is actually the old setup that I'm rocking here in the living room. Let me know if you guys actually like this setup, but I don't think I'm going to use it again. I'm just going to use it for this quick tutorial. So in this video I wanted to actually talk about Instagram and Instagram dark mode, which has actually been on the social media platforms, or it's actually been trending for the past week. Now I wanted to actually make a quick comparison on the Instagram dark mode on the iOS and the Instagram dark mode on the Android side of things. Now, for you guys actually to get these things on your phone, you just gotta make sure your just gotta make sure actually your phone is up to date. So on the iOS side, make sure you go and you actually update to the latest version of iOS. I'm actually using the iOS 13.2 beta 2. I've actually had this beta running on this phone since it actually came out 3 months ago, and I'm still actually running on it. So make sure you update that side of things, and then you go to your app store and you update the actual application. So you're gonna be updating Instagram on the app store, which actually the update should be there if it's not already automatically updated, if that's not already set on your phone. So after you actually do that, you actually need to go to your settings, just to show you guys actually right now how it looks. The Instagram right now, it looks actually white. This is the old way that it used to show. If you actually go to your setting right now, you will see that the dark mode is there. So if you've actually been rocking iOS 13, you know that that's one of the features that the iOS actually, or the software version came with, which is dark mode. So if you click on dark mode, automatically after you've updated your Instagram, automatically also the Instagram will change to dark mode. Now, similar thing on the Android side as well. So you go and you update your Android software, and then you also update your Instagram software. I think the Android software on itself, there isn't actually need for you to update it, but just in case, make sure it's up to date. And then if you go to setting as well in this side, let me actually just show you guys again. Instagram right now is on white, which is the original way that Instagram used to show. Now if you go to your settings and you go to your display and you go to your night mode, as soon as you turn on night mode there and you go back to the application Instagram also goes to dark mode. Now, quick comparison between these two. The only actual difference that I could find between these two is that when you go to the iOS side of things, you can actually set it to turn into dark mode automatically or at sunset and go back to the white mode or to the light mode at sunrise. So if you click that automatic button, as soon as it gets dark, the phone itself goes to dark mode, as well as the Instagram application also goes to dark mode. And in the morning, as soon as it's sunrise, it also turns back to light mode. Now this automatic, it actually comes really in handy because you don't have to actually go back to your settings if you want to turn the Instagram dark mode off, which is something that on the Android side you're actually not gonna get. But if you guys actually know any application that does that, because I mean Android has an application that actually does everything. This is the Android life of things, unlike the iOS life of things. So on the Android side, you're not gonna be able to do that automatically unless maybe you install a third-party application, which, as I said, I'm not sure if there's actually one available. The only difference, as I mentioned, actually it's just that on the iOS side of things, you can get it to do it automatically. You don't actually have to go to the application in the morning if you don't want to use dark mode during the day to switch it off, and you just click on automatic in the morning. It automatically goes to light mode, as I'm just showing right now. And on the Android side, you cannot do that. Apart from that single difference between the two, in terms of aesthetic or in terms of looks, dark mode or Instagram dark mode on the iOS side and an Android side, there is actually no difference, as I have actually checked, and it's both dark this side and dark that side, and you actually don't get any difference in terms of usability and also all forth. So the Instagram dark mode and the Android side is similar to the Instagram on the iOS side, apart from the feature that actually comes embedded on iOS side, where you can actually turn it automatically, which also would apply to Instagram. Now let me know if you guys actually are using this dark mode and what do you guys think of the dark mode. For me, for now, I'm actually still getting used to it. I'm actually not used to seeing my pictures on the back on the black background, which is actually something that I prefer seeing on a white background. But I'm getting used to it. I'm actually forced to get used to it actually, because I'm mainly using the Android phone for the moment, and I'm actually gonna explain why maybe in a future video. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to get used to it, because I don't wanna have to go to my settings each time I want to change back to white mode, because it's something that I'm not used to. So let me know down in the comments if you guys like this feature, if you guys are using this feature. Otherwise, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video, which is really important, so you guys can actually get fresh content each time it's out. And yeah, I'm going to catch you guys on my next video, which is gonna be pretty soon. Peace.